Hi, my name is Ross Hager. I'm the safety manager for Quality Labor Management. And today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about fall protection. How to properly inspect your fall protection harness. First thing you want to do, you're going to grab it by the D-ring on the back. Check your D-ring, ensure that there's no rusting, pitting in any of the metal. If there is any rusting or pitting, this harness is no good. And you're going to look at every single stitch on this. Come through, if you find any cuts, nicks, tears, this one's got a cut, this one's got frays, any kind of fray, nick, tear, this harness is out of service. This is your fall indicator. If this harness has had someone fall in it previously, or if it's just not been taken care of and abused, this is going to be popped and it'll be straight out like this. So this harness is no good because someone's either fallen in this or it's just been not been taken care of. You'll come through and check all your straps. If it's cut, that harness is no good. If it has frays, the harness does not work anymore. You need to take it out of service. If it has writing on it, in Sharpie, anything, the harness is out of service. We don't know what that chemical in the pen, the paint, anything is doing to the material there. If it's compromising it, then it's going to compromise whenever it works on your fall. Come down, check all your buckles. When you get to your leg straps and you get to your eye-rings, you're going to want to tug on them, move them around, and ensure that none of these are going to come out. Make sure there's no fraying all around them. Once you get that fraying, like I said, this harness is no longer good. These are your DBAs. Most harnesses these days are equipped with these. These you deploy after you've already fallen. This is going to take the pressure off of your arteries and that cut off circulation, and it's going to relieve that so you have more time before rescue. Without these, you have about 4 minutes until you lose that circulation long enough that it's going to do permanent damage to your legs. So you want to take care of these. These are not to hang your drill from, they're not tile for your tools. This is a life-saving device. Take care of it just like you're supposed to take care of the harness. On your harness, you always want to go in here. This is the inspection tag. This has the serial number, model numbers, lot numbers, the year of manufacture. Your harnesses are only good for 5 years, so you want to check these and make sure that they're not out of service. You want to go back here on the inspection log. I think it's quarterly that these have to be inspected. You'll want to come in here, put the date, the initial that it has been inspected after your first use. Guys, this is what's going to save your life. This is what's going to keep you alive and keep you from falling to your death. So please, please, please take the time, inspect your harness properly, and make sure it looks good.